Hello guys, this is my latest UI5 application and the basic one and the regarding to the employee information. The entire employee information which I created auditor service and maintain the CRUD operations in it, I bind into the front end in the M table, which is the responsive table. So this employee information is the page title which we have. So after that, whenever here this is the combo box, so whatever the employee name is maintained in the table data, that we have to show in the combo box for the employee name. Similarly for the department, so whatever the data is maintained for the department column, so that should be maintained in the combo box. Let's say if I select Harsha, employee name as Harsha, so it should be employee department is SAP. Okay. If user selects the employee name and depart, if user wants to filter out this employee name and department, and if the user selects the this Harsha and the SAP, that will be the employee name and department. If user click on go, so it should be filter out only those data. So let's say if user is not matching with both conditions, let's say clients. Okay, if user click on go, I'm not getting any data. So for this control, we have to use the filter bar. So you can explore that. Whenever I will remove those filters and click on go, I should get the all the data. And this is the thing which we have to remember. And after that, when we come to the create functionality, so for example, if the user click on the this create button and delete button, so we have to create in the footer toolbar. So whenever the user click on the create button, so it has to open empty in the empty simple form in the fragment. So we have to give the data. Okay. For example, Manohar. So after that, 20,000. Employee department SAP. Employee location Hyderabad. So after that, that will be the M3. Gender male. After that, phone number. 9963648879. For example, if user click on save, it is saving the record in the database and it will reflect in the our table data also. When I click on save, I get the message. So employee ID 7 is created successfully. So there will be a success message in it 7. Okay. This is create functionality. When the user gives the record and click on the cancel button, it is not saving because when the user cancel, we are not going to save anything. So this is the thing. After that, when the user click on the close, it will close the fragment. This is about the create functionality. So after that, whenever user click more than three records, okay, more than three records, it should not be deleted. If the user click less than three or equal to three, it will be deleted. For example, I am selecting more than three. Okay, click on delete button. See, there will be a warning message. Select less than three employees. So this is the way you have to write the condition. So for example, if I select the less than three, okay. For example, less than three or equal to three, it will be deleted. Click on delete. Okay. All three will be deleted. See, all three will be deleted. So this is the way. So this is about the first view. So after that, we perform the routing and navigation. Whenever the user select any row, it should be displayed the same data in the next view in the form of simple form. Okay, if I select the third record, it should be navigate to the next view and show to the in the simple form. Okay, that should be in the non-editable form, which the user is not going to be edit. So this is the way we have to write it down. So we have to write according to that. So normally we used to go back to the previous view by using this website control. So we have to create a button. So when the user click on the back, it should be go back to the previous view, and again whenever the user click on a selected row, it should be displayed the same details in the next row. Okay. Next, the edit functionality. There is a edit button right in the footer bar in the second view. So whenever the user click on the edit button, so edit button has to be hide, and this simple form should be in the editable mode so that you can change change the any information. Okay, click on edit. Okay, see the edit button is hide. Simple form, the elements is completely editable. So if the user click on the cancel button is hide. Okay, cancel button is hide, and the save and edit button will be enabled. Okay, and again simple form is in non-editable mode. If user change any information, okay, let's say I'm changing to 2. If user click on save, it should be saved in the database also. Data updated successfully. When I go back, that will be the 3 record, right? 3. So see, the 2 is changed to 1 is changed to 2. Whenever the again we navigate and click on edit. If I change to M3 to M2 and click on cancel button, it should be pop up to the next sorry, previous value. We have previous value M3, user change to M2, and now a user realized I don't want to change. So whenever the user click on the cancel button, it should come the previous value. So whatever the value before changing. So let's say if I click on cancel, see there will be M3 value. So this is my latest UI5 application.